People, this is it, I make a video. Because we owe me work, I don't expect say nobody should have come here, come say them a damage my place, or especially a rob me. You understand? This is how them walking in my shop last night, cut off my padlock and everything. After they done do them, I do them sweep up out of the way, because they leave my broom outside last night. Them sweep up and took up what them took up, but me still report it to the police. You understand? This is my shop. When them come in and them empty my shelf. See there? Them empty it. Them empty my shelf. Them take down all of my little top shelf liquor. My suppose my local zeal, my Heineken, my Jagan, my Guinness, my peanut punch them, my boom them and everything. Them take what them take out and gone. Them come through the back door. Them saw that it. You understand me? So this is it, me I try to say. If you ever call them for their work people, them now work. You understand what me I try to say? And they come and empty this last night. I want to know the person who empty it, how him feel within himself right now, anyway him there. You understand what me I say? But if me buck him last night or this morning, we not hear about it. Because no police could have come for me when me done with him. Remember me tell you. You understand what me I try to say? So this is it. Them emptied last night. You understand what me I say? Them emptied. But as me can tell them, God on time.
Welcome back to MyView TV, the people's platform, the home of undiluted news, reviews, updates, and your daily dose of entertainment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, leave us a comment, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in here to cheer for me. Everything what you see up my natural talent. Let me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple me.
Your life isn't shaped by the mistakes you make, but is certainly shaped by what you do afterwards. Use failure as a lesson for the next step. Take obstacles as test of your determination. It isn't about how many times you fall. It's about how often and how quickly you get up back and rise. Rise back up. I should say that, right? Let me say, it's often how quickly you rise back. Same as get up, okay? And I want you to practice kindness in the daily routine. Don't let it depend on your mood or how much you like another person. Make it a way of life. It doesn't cost anything. It doesn't cost anything to practice kindness, okay? What go on, my people? Hope everybody doing okay. Hope everybody doing all right. Get another Wednesday, we get up and find myself alive. Want to smell that? I can't fry dumpling. Every day above ground is a blessing. Awesome is to be amongst the living. And surely, not amongst the dead. Give thanks to life for the gathering and the breakfast. Crocus Maga sitting. Once I come on this platform, you have ball-to-ball commentary. Who the operation got ready? News here, news there, news everywhere. And people, business. Because of that, to invest in, don't it?
Alright, Siki, man, here you open.
And every security get pepper spray and back, So, but them have gun, So, people, when I go somewhere, I ask the people, they don't send and really go on, but really go on. Them say, my view, after the security ask him for search, him bag, him decide, say, no one give the security bag for search. So, them start fist it out. And the security system, we're not going to lose a fist fight. And member say, yo, me have my gun. Let me pop out my gun. Bye! Boy, get shot. Start the operation right, that's so because boy, we're supposed to let the police them don't kill them. A 20-year-old man and a 14-year-old boy in police custody after being arrested in connection with seizure of an imitation firearm. Right now, one party out of Trinityville right in St. Thomas. Police shall shot and them skin kill them. The police said they acted on information and went to the party and them got some boom and see the boy and the adult. And them asked them for a search. The police said, what you go on, power go on. When they were on for the man, the minor fled. But guess what? Them go back for him. You understand when them go some man check? Imitation gun. Them find them with Them should have did 15 years just like that. This is what I don't think keep hit the jackpot in people. 40-year-old Dewey and Sherry come from right around a Mall Road. Not Mall Road in that town, not a Mall Road. Down a Westmoreland, road a Skettle town. Him go some boom after the man and save him buckle him for Christmas, you know. You know, so save him buckle a big thing. Change those couple buckle well. You can get a crate of drinks, or you can buy a crate of drinks. Him never, the man save him buckle, you know. Go over the man yard, people. And a thief, the man buckle. You say some man a thief. This a boy a thief. Shearer has been charged burglary, larceny, and unlawful looting in connection with the incident which occurred along Hermitage Housing Scheme in Westmoreland on August 17, 2023. According to the Betheltown Police, or should I say the Skettletown Police, at about 2:45 p.m., a man was at home with his family when he heard suspicious noise coming from his garage. The homeowner went to investigate and reportedly discovered that several crates of bottles has been removed from the garage and placed outside. But all of them dead in the house though. Man could have come killed in the house and gone, you know. Police said further checks led to the discovery of Shearer, who was allegedly inside the garage, armed with a knife and attempting to remove more items. When the owner confronted him, a struggle reported ensued, during which both men sustained injury. Shearer allegedly fled the scene before the police were summoned. Following an investigation, he was taken into custody on June 29 of this year. So that's how long it take to find one buckle thief. Then that's how long the police them take to find one buckle thief. Police them for go on better. The police them for go on better. Come on then now. They look for this man here. Teacher Owen Hamilton. He come from right around a Bamboo. Right down at St. James side. So the people them and the police along a Bamboo say watch out man. They are looking for him. Hamilton, who reside right in a steer town, as St. Anne reported left home and Saturday to attend a grave digging right in the mountain road, right in a Bamboo, right there. So, and the people them say from they see him go up on the bus, them not hear and them not see him again. Hamilton was last seen in a black pants, one plaid shirt, and he's 6 feet tall. And he weigh about 170 pounds. You understand? And him have grey hair. That's how the people them say, cause him all for real, him at 66. Relatives and friends of the missing man, who is originally from Goodwill in St. James, traveled from St. James and Trelawney on Tuesday. And so watch out, man, them are going to look if they see him. And they don't see him. Them don't see him. The people that go to kill him and dash him somewhere. Speaking of that, between Sunday and yesterday, which was Tuesday, how old people dead on the road here? 6 to be exact. 57-year-old Robert Smalling, him did dead. I'm going to tell you about the boy, Rivaldo Myers. Him come from Darliston. Them claim him is a salesman. Him did dead. And there are 4 other people who dead. I don't know them name. Me don't know them name. Because nobody don't come identify them and tell me the name so we can't tell. Oh no. In the latest incident about 9:45 p.m., the police a grey 2014 Toyota Pool box licked down one man along the Fairfield Main Road in St. James. It supported the pedestrian walk into the path of the vehicle and the vehicle licked him right down. Minutes earlier at about 9 p.m., a white Honda HRV motor car and a grey Toyota Axie motor car caught up in each other. Right down a bus coming right down there, they say that's St. Mary. Another pedestrian died in that incident. At around 7 p.m., Smalling was driving his white Mitsubishi Lancer motor car along Churchman Main Road, right in the St. Catherine, when he lost control of the vehicle and caught up in one building that never did go nowhere because the building park right there. So long. Him dead. And at around 12:18 p.m. along Fort Augusta Drive, right in the St. Catherine, 2011. White Isuzu motor truck licked down one 75-year-old man. I mean, all people are dead. Whole heap of old people are dead. Mighty God. Why not kill off the old people in our country? But anyway, condolences to the family and friends. May their soul rest in peace. Or up and tell me them names so we can make people them know them names so them can visit to the yard. When the night I keep, go like I don't want to cook food and eat it food itself. And I like a thing I like. You see this 9-night food, yeah? And 9-night food. 9-night food is not for repass. So the can cook the food and that talk about, yeah, we have put on something after the rip. No matter with that. Different food supposed to cook and everybody needs to come at the funeral. Make the chef them tan and cook food for the repast. But my phone is, man. 11, 12 o'clock at night, people they want food all. No little food can't share. Only just mean with the bickle. Anyway, people, come here now. The Jamaican Constabulary Force said its murder clearance rate has climbed from 111% after detectives solved 304 murder case between January 1st and July 4th. Let me tell you something. Police are a lion. This is what me sure about. Me sure say the police are a lion. And the police them not really clear up no case, you know. So this big old percentage of them a show people. Make them a make up numbers. This is something me sure about. Where me when them used to go down a cherry chili and go kill people. Where me not even know say they go down there. Where me dead and where me never know say him got cherry. It's once the police them go some and kill someone, them a find some murder put pan them because they want to close the case. This is something me and them know. You know? This is something that me and them know. Holy pa you, me see police them kill when they know nothing about wagwan. And they just throw some murder upon them and say, watch out, man. And who no do that? I have some man where them catch with some murder too and put them behind bars. They just put a murder upon them. When they don't know nothing about it and then years after, you see them release them. But guess what? They don't get the high number already. That big percentage that them don't get it down and applaud them and I say, yes, they're doing wonderful work. When nothing don't go so. Yeah, only need to stop it, man. Only need to stop it. At the same time, the country murder rate continues to fall. What me telling you, say, them claims say murder will drop, but police fatal shooting going up. We see what not doing, you know. It's a good thing the people them know say me there for them. And me I show them exactly what I go on and the things them wanna hide, me I bring it to light. But anyway, the policy among the cases clear were some dated back to nearly 2 decades ago. 2 decades ago, no could clear it. I know. You know what? Say yo, the police they lie. Man they lie bad enough. What me say the man they lie? Me say the man they lie bad. The latest crime statistics show investigators clearing 304 murder cases during the period compared with 253 over the corresponding period last year, an increase of 20% or 51 additional cases. At the same time, Jamaica recorded 275 murders. Williams say down 23% from the 335 reported during the same period in 2025. Overall, Category 1 crimes declined by 15% with 322 fewer major crimes reported than last year. And guess what? One lion when I big up in friend them and I say, watch out, and this is how I'm friend them I do. In order to clear up the case them.
I commend the detectives for capitalizing on the golden hours of their investigations. The relentless follow-up and the constant feedback to those who provide guidance to them, as also the victims of the crimes that they have been investigating. We have also been investing heavily in the training and mentorship of our detectives and tapping into the use of technology in order to deliver investigative services of a world-class standard. This success is also credited to the collaborative efforts of the intelligence and operations branches, who provide valuable support in order for us to have been achieving the unprecedented successes that we have been seeing in recent times.
No doubt, even as the 24% reduction in murders this year when compared to a similar phase last year is to be welcomed, it's a good opportunity to encourage all law-abiding Jamaicans to commit to redoubling our support for the security forces as they seek to finish the second half of the year strong. I think now would be a good time as well for criminal elements to understand that crime doesn't pay, and the administration in partnership with the security forces will not back down as we continue to pursue measures which have caused a major decline in murders over the past few years. The fact is, this is the fourth consecutive year in which we're seeing a sizable decline in murders during the first half of the year, and make no bones about it, the administration has every intention to ensure that this trend continues. Both the Prime Minister and Dr. Chang have been intentional about doing the research and crafting the right set of policies which set the foundation for these consecutive years of decline. The positive outcomes we are experiencing now reiterate that good policies matter. A cursory look at Plan Secure Jamaica, which Dr. Holness had tabled in the Parliament a few years ago, confirmed that part of that policy was to invest heavily in public safety and national security, including bolstering border protection and the intelligence capabilities of the security forces.
But the police and the government come and tell the people them one whole heap of lie. But while them tell the people them lie, and me and my friend them they are customer work up something that we have no control about. People on the road are dead enough. Because right around the mile road, the man them kill Mutty and Brianna. See two of them up on the screen, then kill the two of them right around the mile road. And the people them call me and ask me if you want one pound walk, I say I'm watching the football. I am watching the football and I'm cursing, you understand? Because the African them fool, you know. We say the African them fool, the African them fool, the African them fool. Lightning strike. Same place twice, you understand? The African them just care. Control the ball game and say watch them on 90 minutes we are play for no, make them score back power after we score 2 goals. Make we lock shop. But what the foul still, you understand? The player draw down the player. Why? Make I leave that alone, you understand? I worry about my team. God bless the Queen, you understand? Because we can roam this thing, you know? We can roam this thing. I'm telling you now already. New York Knicks win. Arsenal win. Just time for England win now. Don't cuss me in the comment section because yourself because your side gone home. Have your side not gone home yet? It'll go home next. Anyway, don't worry now one because somebody else dead around the world. That me I hear but I'll bounce my breakfast and come back come finish the operation. You understand? Want to do that? Alright.
Thanks for watching. This was a MyView TV production. Remember to share, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, tell a friend for tell a friend, and remember, it never bring nobody forward for cheer for him. Walk good.